How to download multiple files from Google Drive on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Google Drive application on your phone. You are taken to the home page of Google Drive. Once inside the app, navigate to the folder containing the specific files you wish to download. Here, long press on the first file to enter selection mode, then tap to select the other files. After selecting all the desired files, tap on the three-dot menu icon located in the top right corner of the screen. A menu with several options will appear from the bottom. From this menu, find and select the download option to begin the process. A pop-up will then appear on your screen, indicating that the files are being saved to your Photos app. The downloaded files can now be found in your iPhone's Photos library. Following these steps, you can easily download multiple files from Google Drive on an iPhone.